Hey, what's going on? We are just starting out our new segment from today, which we will call the Gadget Wednesday. In every Wednesday, we will bring you some of the most unique and cool gadgets that will totally blow your mind. My name is Laksh, and welcome to Phone Politics. Let's get started. Well, the first gadget in our list today is the Flex Tape. Let me tell you everything about the Flex Tape. Flex tape is the original super strong waterproof tape that can patch, bond, seal, and repair virtually anything. It is specially formulated with a thick, flexible, rubberized backing that conforms to any or object. Unlike other tapes available, Flex tape's bond will increase with time and pressure. Perfect for a variety of surfaces with many users around the car, boat, RV or home. If you have something broken, now you can fix them with no effort at all, except your heart. The second gadget in our list is the bottle cap launcher. If you ever wanted to make a game out of removing bottle caps from a drink, now you can. This bottle cap launcher does just as you would imagine from the way we have built it up to this point. It's actually two things in one, a bottle cap opener combined with a bottle cap gun. The tool actually opens bottle with ease, but then packs that energy into storage for when you want to switch it up a little and use the shooter part. It's always awesome and it's a whole lot of fun that just having an opener does nothing more than removing caps like you would expect it to do. The third gadget on our list is the spy lenses. Please use it for a good cause. Turn your phone into a periscope. Have you always wanted to take photos around the corner like a real spy? The high quality spy lenses is especially designed to increase the fun functionality of your phone's camera. The use is so simple. Just have a sticky metal ring on your phone. Then whenever you want to use the periscope, just put it on the sticky metal ring. Then you can have a periscope lens for your camera phone. No need to install any apps or any mechanical installments. It's just jargon-free thing. Moving ahead, the fourth gadget on our list is the USB cigarette lighter. Well, this gadget is very useful for a lot of people except me because I don't smoke. Well, it works as a USB drive and also as an electronic lighter. That's amazing, bro. This is a light, compact and stylish thing. You can use it for smoking or flash papers, etc. It is rechargeable USB lighter. So what are you waiting for? Get yourself one of them. Well, we'll wrap up this video talking about the last tool or gadget we found, which is the revolver USB drive. Let's know what it is. Well, many macho folks out there love to have a revolver with them. So if you are a macho, then what are you waiting for? This amazing looking mini gun is actually a USB drive which you can use on your workspace. Well, don't show it to your boss, else you'll be fired. Anyways, jokes apart, you can save up to 16 GB data on it. This amazing gadget make you stylish among your friends, and even your boss can't give you more work because of you having this mini gun. So that's pretty much all about this video. I hope you really enjoyed watching the video. If you really liked the video, give it a thumbs up and let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe Phone Politics. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.